Hey guys, if you've lost access to your Authenticator app in Roblox, don't worry. I'll show you how to bypass the two-step verification and recover your account. First, try clicking on Use Another Verification Method. Sometimes you'll see alternative options here. For example, if you saved your backup code when setting up the Authenticator, you can use that. It's usually a 9-digit code provided during the initial setup. If you don't have your backup code, the next step is to contact Roblox support and request removal of the two-step verification. To do this, click on Need Help? Contact Roblox support. Once the page opens, scroll down to the bottom and look for Need More Help? Contact support here. If you don't see it, click No on the prompt and the option should appear. After opening the support form, enter the date of birth linked to your Roblox account and click Continue. Then fill in all the required details, including your username, first name, and email address. Make sure to provide as much accurate information as possible. Next, select your device, choose PC from the drop-down menu. Under Category, select Account Hacked or Can't Log In, and then choose Lost Access to my two-step verification method. In the description box, type something like, Hi, I have lost access to my two-factor authentication app. I still have access to my phone number and email address. Please switch verification to one of these so I can regain access to my account. Once done, click Continue and complete the verification puzzle to confirm you're not a bot. After that, a chat window may appear with Roblox's AI assistant. Simply type, Not helping, talk to someone, and press Enter. When asked to confirm your email, type, Yes. As long as your email is verified and linked to your account, you'll receive a message from Roblox support. From there, you can communicate directly with their team. Usually, within 3 to 4 days, they'll remove the two-step verification and help you regain access to your account. That's exactly how I recovered my account. Let me know if this worked for you.